Do you remember this?
Muslims are your brothers. Don't hate them. If you show them love by blessing them, they will appreciate your God.
This.
Somebody is hungry and you are preaching Jesus to the person. Give the person food and the person will listen to you to want to know your Jesus.
And this. Who else can preach an undiluted gospel like him that is sent and ordained by the Most High God? Prophet Israel Oladele Ogundipe, the unstoppable Genesis, Shepherd in Charge, Celestial Church of God, Genesis Global. Join him on Facebook, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Nigerian time for 14 days of massive mercy on my matter. Season 5 from 1st of December to 14th of December 2019. Babambadi. I mean to crown it all. Everyone is invited to Genesis Global Adult Harvest on Sunday 15th of December 2019. Venue, Celestial Church of God, Genesis Global, 10/12, Duro Ishola Street, Dalimo Alakuko, Ojokoro, Nigeria, starting from 10 a.m. in the morning. Telephone 081-8353-6470 or 081-8320-1394. Tell someone to tell someone to be part of 2019 Genesis Global Adult Harvest. So you also can be tagged unstoppable like us and Genesis Global.